Torrential slide value equivalent to 261.13 rands a coin. The present cost range, 258.38 281.82. The earlier day close, 275.37. The change was 14.24, 5.17%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. Walk 13, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost 264 rands, high 282, low 246. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost 247 rands, high 264, low 230. Torrential slide figure on Thursday. Walk 16, cost 248 rands, high 265, low 231. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. Walk 17, cost 255 rands, high 273, low 237. In multi-week torrential slide estimate on Monday. Walk 20, cost 253 rands, high 271, low 235. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 245 rands, high 262, low 228. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 234 rands, high 250, low 218. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 229 rands, high 245, low 213. Torrential slide estimate on Friday. Walk 24, cost 238 rands, high 255, low 221. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27, cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 223 rands, high 239, low 207. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 229 rands, high 245, low 213. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 225 rands, high 241, low 209. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. Walk 31, cost 209 rands, high 224, low 194. In 3 weeks torrential slide conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost 202 rands, high 216, low 188. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 193 rands, high 207, low 179. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost 199 rands, high 213, low 185. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 211 rands, high 226, low 196. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost 210 rands, high 225, low 195. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 213 rands, high 228, low 198. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost 220 rands, high 235, low 205. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for Walk 2023. At the outset cost at 313 rands, exorbitant cost 332, while low cost 194. Found the middle value of cost 262. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 209. Change for spring 33.2%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2023. To start with cost at 209 rands, exorbitant cost 249, while low cost 164. Found the middle value of cost 200. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 176. Change for April 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 176 rands, exorbitant cost 176, while low cost 150. Found the middle value of cost 166. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 161. Change for May 8.5%. Torrential slide gauge for June 2023. In the first place cost at 161 rands, exorbitant cost 200, while low cost 161. The found the middle value of cost 177. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 187. Change for June 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 187 rands, excessive cost 187. While low cost 146. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 169. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 157. Change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for August 2023. Before all else cost at 157 rands, excessive cost 157. While low cost 123. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 142. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 132. Change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 132 rands, excessive cost 159. While low cost 132. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 143. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 149. Change for September 12.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 149 rands, excessive cost 152. While low cost 132. The found the middle value of cost 144. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 142. Change for October 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 142 rands. Exorbitant cost 142. While low cost 111. The found the middle value of cost 129. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 119. Change for November 16.2%. Torrential slide estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 119 rands. Exorbitant cost 148. While low cost 119. The found the middle value of cost 131. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 138. Change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 138 rands. Exorbitant cost 138. While low cost 108. The found the middle value of cost 125. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 116. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 116 rands. Excessive cost 116. While low cost 90. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 105. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 97. Change for February 16.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 97 rands. Excessive cost 97. While low cost 75. The